AKS Cutting Systems manufacture CNC cutting machines including plasma, oxy-fuel, and water jet cutters for the sheet metal, plate metal, and steel fabricating industries. We have a lasting reputation for accuracy, durability, and reliability with thousands of installations worldwide. AKS machines are American-made in Cleveland, Ohio, by a fourth-generation family-owned and operated business founded over a century ago. Cleveland's rich history in steel and manufacturing has helped AKS to ensure a legacy of manufacturing excellence. The AKS manufacturing process and our precision toolmaking experience allows us to build cutting machines with unsurpassed tolerances and repeatability. Our X-Series of water jet cutting tables are available with the AKS taper control system and 5-axis robotic cutting head with operating pressures up to 90,000 psi. AKS AccuCut plasma cutting systems are constructed with a proprietary unitized design. Available with RoboCut, our exclusive 5-axis robotic beveling system. When combined with TubeCut, our in-house engineered robotic pipe and tube cutter, these systems offer a complete solution for plate, sheet, and tube pipe cutting applications. Our massive DuraCut plasma cutting system can be extended up to 200 feet in length and is capable of operating with multiple plasma and oxy torches. All AKS machines are equipped with Hypertherm plasma power supply units. And AKS Cutting Systems is one of the only manufacturers that offers SureCut as a standard feature on each of our plasma cutting machines. SureCut is available through multiple delivery methods that include Hypertherm plasma systems, software, and AKS CNC plasma cutting technologies. Contact AKS Cutting Systems today to learn how we can help you achieve a new level of cutting performance.